What is linked list? Let's take a look. So unlike arrays, linked list is not contiguous. So it is not stored in memory next to each other like we saw in arrays. So how do we actually implement it? And how does the traversal, deletion and insertion work? So now let's see. So linked list contains of nodes, and each node will have some value. So each node will have a data which it can actually store, and it will also have the memory address of the next element in the linked list. Okay, so to understand it more clearly, let's take a look here. So the integers you see below the squares are the actual memory addresses we have here. So 112, 45, and 12 is the memory address, and the integer you see before the pipe symbol is the data. So now this node 1 is actually storing the data which is 21 now, and the address of the next node. So 45 is the address of next node. So when we traverse through this node, that's how it knows now I have to go to memory address 45. There I will find the next element. Now it goes to 45 and it finds the next element which is 22. And now it has to continue, and the address for the next element is 12. And it will continue like this until it goes to the end of the list. And how do we know that it is the end? Because in the end, the memory address for the next element would be null. So that's how it knows that the linked list traversal has completed. So why do we want to use a linked list over arrays? So in arrays, insertion and deletion are actually not efficient. So you have to adjust the whole array data structure inside the memory. That's why when you have to create a data structure in which you would be doing multiple insertion and deletion, you will go with linked list. And in linked list, you won't be able to access data randomly. So if you want to access data 23 or the element at node 3, you actually have to go through the whole list. So you have to traverse through 21, 22, and then you will find 23. But in arrays it was different. You could just directly calculate the address of the element at index 3 and you will find the data there. But here you actually have to traverse. So random access is not possible in list, and you actually have to traverse through it. And this is a known contiguous data structure. Remember that the data are not stored next to each other, so it could be randomly distributed in the memory. So you also have to store the memory address in each node. So we will create a video on how to actually create linked list in Python. So stay tuned. Peace.